Okay, it's already set up with all my details, and I have installed the latest system update, iOS 13.4.1. Let's double check. General software update. Yeah, 13.4.1. Fingerprint is kind of working really well, as you can see. Let's try again. Let's see the camera. So as you can see, typical iPhone camera UI with all the modes: portrait, square, panel. So let's go the other way. Photo, video, slow-mo, time-lapse. Okay, let's take a couple of pictures. Let's try portrait. Might be a little bit difficult because of the distance, but let's try it anyway. So we'll see. Okay. Yeah, not too bad. What else? Let's see YouTube and the audio. Yeah, but good. So good brightness on the panel control, the control panel. Yeah, there you go. So let me know if you want an update as to how the phone keeps performing in 2-3 weeks, and I get back to you. Write your comments down below. And yeah, there you go. iPhone 8 Plus, Amazon renewed. So far so good. Thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of the upcoming videos. And until then, see you in the next one. Wish you all the best. Hasta la vista.